Hey everyone, hope you're all well. In this video, I'm sharing my go-to core strengthening exercises that I've been practicing after my visits to a chiropractor who helped me with my low back pain due to an old injury which actually got worse after my pregnancy and so on. Now, you don't just do core strengthening work only if you are fixing your injuries or whatnot, but these should be a part of your regular weekly routine, as the stronger the core is, the better your performance is going to be in both your lower and upper body workout, and the better the performance is, meaning you will be progressing much faster. The topmost exercise has to be this bird dog exercise, which works on strengthening your abs as well as the opposite muscle, which is your lower back. I wiggle a little bit up and down to find the right placement for my spine, which is a flat back once you're on all fours. Once I found that placement, that is when I tighten up my abs and then slowly extend alternate arm and leg out. I then pull my shoulder blade backwards to engage the lats on the side of the extended arm. And for your leg, you want to ensure that you're using your glute muscle to extend the leg out and squeeze glute at the top of the movement. Be sure to do it nice and slow and controlled so that you're able to engage with the core muscles and actually work on strengthening them. Second exercise is a half sit-up kind of a thing, where you can either place legs at an object at about 90-degree angle at knee, or keep them in air, abs tight of course, then lift shoulder blades off the ground and aim to reach chest towards the ceiling. Okay, we are not crunching towards your knees. Instead, we are aiming to crunch upwards. And when you perform that, when you lift your shoulder blades up, you want to make sure that you're pressing your lower back into the ground so that you're able to engage with your midsection as much. Inhale a lot of air when on the ground by opening the chest region, and blow it all out when reaching upwards to create a good engagement with the core. Third exercise is a side plank dip. Now, this does require a bit of upper body strength, but that's okay. The more you'll practice, the better you get at them. Now, get on your elbow with whole body in one line. One knee is going to be bent to assist with the lift and the dip. Now, again, keeping the core area engaged, which is your abs as well as your lower back. Lift up using your midsection. Lift up using your abs, and then slowly dip down. And you should be able to feel a good stretch in your waistline, which is your obliques. So these were my 3 best exercises. You can do these 2 to 3 times a week for about 3 sets of each exercise, about 10 repetitions in each set, so that you are constantly working on strengthening your core section as well. And on that note, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys.